In this question, we're asked to compute the reproduction probability for a genetic algorithm. So we're going to just use the formula that the probability is just the fitness of this particular state, or let's say S, divided by the sum over all states of S prime. So we need to compute f of S for all of these five. So let's do the first one. So we'll call this A, B, C, D, and E. So this is just 5 times 1 plus 3 times 1 times 0 minus D is 1 plus 2 times 1. So what is this? 5 plus minus 1 plus 2, so it's 6, I guess. So the next one you do exactly the same, so I'll go through it quickly. So this is just 3 plus 2, so it's 3 plus 2, so it's 5. And next one is 5 plus 0, so it's 5. And the next one is 5 minus 1 plus 2, so it's 6. And the last one is just 5 again. So now we have the fitness of each of the states. So sum them up is 15 plus 12, so it's 27. So the reproductive probability of this state, so for A, the probability is 6 over 27. For B is 5 over 27. And for C is also this. And for E is also this. And for for D is also this. So these are the reproductive probabilities. So when we are going to generate the parents, we use these probabilities. So A and D are slightly more likely to become parents. And again, we will just use CDF inversion to generate one of the parents and generate another one according to this distribution.